Hey guys, welcome back. And by welcome back, I mean welcome back for me because I'm pretty sure all you guys spend your time on YouTube, especially during this pandemic. But anyway, so I decided to come back with a makeup tutorial, but I'm honestly not really proud of this look. Like, it's rusty. I also haven't done my makeup in a while. I was actually pretty happy where I was, but since I stopped, even my eyeliner looks like shit, and usually my eyeliner is perfect. I'm also blonde now. I kind of dig it. I don't know how long I'm gonna last with this hair, but I'm hoping that it'll be like a year or so. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and actually upload this video though, just for me, kind of like trying to brush off my memory or brush off the low gears in there and trying to remember just how to use all my editing stuff. So not the best look. I wouldn't recommend it, but if this is a learning thing for you and me, then go for it. I mean, try it. Why not? So yeah, if you like it, cool. Duplicate it, do it even better. If not, then no hard feelings. Like I said, this is gonna be mostly for me, just to kind of see where I'm at with both my makeup and editing skills because it's been a while. Um, but yeah, if you want to duplicate this look, keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, like always, I went ahead and primed my eyes and waited for that to dry off. Today we're going to be using the James Charles palette. I went ahead and started with the color Hello and kind of did that on my upper eyelid and kind of just tried to blend it out. I went ahead and did the same thing to the other eye, try to get them as similar as possible. After blending out the color Hello, I went back in with the color Playground, which is kind of more of an aqua blue, to kind of make sure that light blue would pop a little more. Went ahead and did the same thing to my other eye and just kind of went back and forth until I was okay with the shade of blue that I wanted. Done with the upper eyelid of my eyes, I went in with the Born This Way concealer, kind of to form that cut crease look that I was originally going for. I went ahead and applied that to my lower eyelid and spread it out with a brush. After spreading the concealer to my liking, I went back in with a flat brush and applied a white base. Then with just my tip of my finger, I went back in with the color Hello and applied it to my inner corner of my eyes and slowly spread it out to where all the concealer was. I went back in with my blending brush and kind of reapplied some of the Hello color up in my upper eyelid, just to kind of make it pop a little more since it looked like it got lost once I applied the concealer. I went back in with a really thin brush with the color Escape, which was the purple color. It kind of gives it a little bit more dimension and kind of very defines the cut crease look. I went in a couple of times just so I could be able to make sure that the color was there. Then I went back in with my blending brush and tried to blend as much as possible from the outer end all the way in. Done with Escape, I went back in with the color Hello and again reapplied to the top lid of my eye, to the upper part of my eye, just to make sure that the color wasn't lost when we added that dark tone. Went ahead and reapplied Escape just a tad bit more and just went with a clean brush and really defined that line. Then with my angle brush, I went back in with the color Spooky, which is just a black color, and applied it to my outer end and worked my way in. I then applied the color Cola, as you can tell, towards the more middle part of my eye, and did the same thing to the other eye. Once I was done with the eyeshadow, I went in with a blue eyeliner, again in the crease of my eye, and applied the blue liner on both of my eyelids. I then went in with a clean brush again and kind of blended that to give it more of a blue versus a purple tone, and reapplied it to my other eye and repeated the process. Done with my eyeshadow, and yes, I do know it looks messy, but I went ahead and applied my black eyeliner to both of my eyes. Once I was done with my black liner, I went back in with the blue liner and kind of put it on my eye over the black liner that I had just finished. I went ahead and did the other eye off camera just because it was really hard not to mess up. So once I'm done with that, I'll be right back. So after here, I came back once I was done with both eyeliners, and this is just me kind of doing my day-to-day face where I apply foundation, concealer, contour, and I bake my face. I already cleaned up the eyeshadow. So yeah, we'll come back with the finishing look. Alright y'all, so I forgot to record an ending video. Like I said, this is all just a test run to see if I remembered how to use my things, but this is the look we ended up with. Let me know if you guys like it. Like I said, I wasn't a big fan of it. I do recognize I probably could have done better with the colors, maybe use a little bit more primer. But in the end, I did like it. I give it about a 6 out of 10. But, you know, keep watching, guys. I'm going to get better, and I'm going to get back to trying uploading at least once a week. Thanks. See you next time.